I feel highly honored. Britain has always stood with Nigeria throughout its turbulent history, and all Nigerians really appreciate that. And our discussions today also confirms this bond of friendship and brotherhood and the readiness of the British government to help Nigeria sort out and solve its most pressing problems, those of malaria, polio, the peace process that we are undertaking now in the Niger Delta region, and helping us to develop capability for maritime security in the Niger Delta region and indeed across the entire Gulf of Guinea. These decisions, which we have reached today, will ensure that Nigeria's oil production and peace in the Niger Delta and development efforts in the Niger Delta are sorted out and solved within the shortest possible time. This will impact generally on the world energy situation. Like the Prime Minister has said, today Nigeria has the capacity to pump another 1.2 million barrels of crude to the world market. But that is not so because of the situation in the Delta region. The British government has undertaken to help us resolve the agitations and the crisis with the communities in the Niger Delta region and to help us to develop the region. I have told the Prime Minister that the Nigerian government has adopted the Niger Delta Master Plan, which is a regional development plan to be implemented in 3 stages over a period of 15 years that is capable and has the potential of resolving all the problems and the agitations of the people and the community in the Delta region. And right now, we are working to have a summit on the Niger Delta with all stakeholders to chart out a program for peaceful resolution of the crisis. And the British government will also assist us to set up a maritime security training center, which will help us develop the capability to